So what is up everyone? In this video, let's uncard this brand new Williams Racing F1 by Hot Wheels Premium Formula 1 collection of the 2025 season. The driver number is 55, which is for Carlos Sainz. He is a really good driver. I hope we see him win more races in the future if possible. But considering Williams' current form, it looks difficult to say the least. I gotta say, the Williams always looks so good, man. The 2024 version is also a banger, and this one is as well. So let's uncard it first. Alright, here we have the casting and it looks fabulous. So let's start with the front. The front wing is good with clear and sharp details. The nose section is okay as well. Gulf logo and the number 55. Driver area and halo looks good, and the helmet details for Carlos Sainz is really nice in my opinion. On the side we get the Komatsu, Atlassian and other sponsor details with the iconic Duracell engine air intake sponsor detail. 55 is on the tail fin again. I like the detailing on the wheel rims as well. The rear wing has the Atlassian decal on the front and the Kraken on the back. The base is the same, metal in the middle, and the flooring on the sides are plastic. The wheels are Real Rider Pirelli P0 hard compound wheels, and that's pretty much about it. It definitely looks very good, and Williams never miss when it comes to great liveries. I got the 2024 version here as well with the number 23 for Alex Albon to compare both of these F1 castings side by side. So that's it for this video. Comment down below your thoughts about this casting or F1 in general if you like F1, and subscribe to the channel for more diecast content. I'll see you in the next one.